So good morning to all. Now we will discuss about the skid resistance through the highway maintenance. Okay. So last class we had discussed about the highway maintenance. So if as the engineer we could able to maintain the road surface in a perfect shape means the skid resistance is not affected. But maybe that climatical condition or that like environmental factors due to that reason also something it will be happen for the in future. So in the way aspect, we should maintain the road surface in a perfect shape. So the next topic in our unit 5, the university framed like the skid resistance. So the skid resistance is the force developed when a tire that is prevented from rotating slides along the pavement surface. So we know already the load are perpendicularly pushes into the road surfaces through the tire. So through the relation between tire and the pavement is a more important task as the civil engineer to us. So in the aspect, the skid resistance we had discussed. So particular attention should be paid. That means we need to give more concentration to the skid resistance properties of the carriageway surface at areas where braking commonly occurs such as and the approaches to intersection, pedestrian crossings and bends. So in all the places we should give more concentration. Why? Because means from here the turning are occur, no? So we can expect a very easiest way for the way of accidents are occur. That means the skid are occur. So if the skid are occur, na, so easily the accident will be occur. So unfortunately, the lot of damages will be occur in the places. So we need to give more concentration, especially in the intersection and pedestrian crossing and the bends areas. So the poor skid resistance, the skid resistance in the way of poor can occur when the road surface become worn. Okay, so the aggregate become polished. So as one kind of the factors we have mentioned already for the distress or occur in the road surfaces is polished aggregate. So we should give more concentration at selection of aggregate in the road surfaces. So if we have find it our material is a very perfect material or we don't have any damages on the material, no? We can use directly in the field, so we can eliminate or we can avoid it, the resistance in the area, so the road surface will occur in a smooth manner. So coming to find through the skid resistance where the intersection locations, that means where the two or three roads are joined each together in the places, we need to give more concentration. Why? Because mean the road are interconnected with some already exiting road to the new road. So here we need to give the concentration through the adjacent of the road surfaces. The meanwhile the pedestrian crossings, okay, in the pedestrian crossing where the people are used the walk path in the road surfaces, the relation between that area with our road surfaces also we need to give the concentration, like the edges is available, no? So from the edge we need to give more concentration and bends. Okay, so and the final one is the bend, so we can take this is also a kind of bend. Okay, so we can take the radius of this area. So here the super relation are occur, no? So the horizontal arm in between we have the bend surface also we need to give more concentrations. So see the resin backs base the skid resistance. Okay, so the bends area occur, no? So here they are, here this is the pedestrians are occurs. Okay, so here this area also the pedestrians are used. So at the time of the person need to cross from one area to some other area, no? Or we can take like a footpath. Okay, so from your footpath are also occur, so the bend surface are also occur, intersection also occur, so the all this should are joined each together in one places. So here the skid we need to eliminate. Why? Because mean, so those are using the vehicle, those are not using the vehicle, the both person can affected in the places only maximum. So see there is in base skid resistance. Okay, so here the skid are occur, na? So here they give more concentration and they are mentioned the danger zone also. Okay, so based on the situation the driver need to access the area without any difficulties. So resin based resistance. Okay, so see here the relation between tire and the road surfaces. So it will take without any difficulties and without any deformation, the resistance are occur. So here we can eliminate the skid. So next here the stiff. Okay, so where people are used in the area. Okay, so here the interface. So the interfaces places also they gave more concentration. So as the civil engineer, so we should give more concentration in the skid resistance. So we need to eliminate it. So based on the material we need to select it in a proper way, and here we need to give the deformation without any affection. So here they give no, so like this kind of activities they will enforce no, so easily we can eliminate the skid resistance. So depend upon the situations, we can incorporate this material into our road surfaces, so we can reduce the skid resistance. So see here also they are used. Why? Because means here the turning are occur and here the slope also occur. So uncontrolled driver can affect the accident. So we can eliminate the skid resistance. So that's all about the skid resistance. Okay. So if you need any clarification, please post in the box. Thank you.